Good morning, lovely people. This morning we're going to make a double Z fold card. I've got two examples to show you. The first one is this one, using this stamp that we've used quite a lot of, and this is a double Z fold. Okay, and then the other one, I've used a scalloped edge square and a flower from my shop, Elippa Crafts. And there we go, that's that one. So, without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Well, you should have two pieces of card. The first one, it seems a strange measurement, 29.7, but that's the length of an A4 piece of card. So I've left it at the length and cut it by 11, and I've kept the same piece of card under the cutter and cut that by 5. So because it's a strange measurement, I've decided to fold it by hand rather than put it on the scoreboard, because it would take a bit of working out to find the centre, or you could just make it slightly smaller, but I always make things more complicated for myself. So you're going to fold both pieces in half and then the front piece back on itself. Okay, so you should end up with that piece, which is folded in half and folded in half again just on the front, and the same with this piece. Okay, so forget this piece for the moment. We're going to work on this piece, which is going to be the main card. So first of all, I did give you the measurements for all the papers. So that paper is going to go on the back there. Centre that up, and that's on the back. Now I'm going to put a piece of white on the front of there. Just white card. There we go. Now in this part here, I'm just going to put a piece. I've used balloon paper, but you can use whatever you like. There we go. And then turn it to the front. This will be the front of the card. So I'm going to put a piece of pink on the front. And then I'm going to put a piece of balloon paper on top of that. That's it. Right. So far we have the main card like that. Now I'm going to work on this piece. Now this piece is going to go in the opposite direction. So instead of having the zigzag there, it's there, and that will come across to there. So we're going to decorate that piece up now. So just some piece of pink, and once again I did give you the measurements. It's too time consuming to repeat it, so piece on there, piece on there, and then the last piece of pink on the front. Now we're going to attach that to that, like so. So first thing, tape. I would suggest that you use tape rather than the snail or glue. And I'm going to do mine about there. You can decide which height you want to do. I want to do it about there. And then I'm going to just tape the front of this and make sure that's nicely lined up, like so. And there we have the double Z. So time to decorate it a little bit. What I decided to do this time was use my large alphabet dies. And I'm just going to attach these to the front of the card. I did try to do this with foam pads, but it just didn't look very nice at all. So I decided the best thing to do would be to glue it. You could put a row of flowers, or it's up to you. I just fancied decorating up the front with something different this one. And then I think it's time I refilled my glue. And the Y there, they just fit in. Okay, happy. Then I used the balloon die, and in the balloon die set there's a string that's supposed to be for holding your balloon. So that on the back of that one. I'm going to put the lilac one at the front here, like so, and then I'm going to just put the glue on there. And this is going to go in here, like so. Sorry, I should have brought down the smaller pads, but I'm going to cut these, so you have to bear with me for a moment. Get off. Right, I want to go there, like so, and then I'll attach this piece there, maybe there, and then the last balloon on there. Okay, so the last thing to do is I did a birthday greeting. Get just a birthday, and I did it in the balloon paper. So I'll just quickly do this. And I'm going to put that there. That's it. Perfect. And there we have it. That's it then. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration for the double Z card, Z fold card. Next week we're going to be doing a Dutch fold, so that's interesting, should be anyway. Okay, this afternoon I'm off to the Thai restaurant, but just before I go, Rafa's on the telly playing tennis. See you all next week. Bye.